Hi guys, welcome to a very quick unboxing of Wjsn'S 2021 season greetings. Let's start with the freebies. The seller gave me Luda. We have Luda, and then the group glittered photo card. Very cute. And for the K-Town for You pre-order benefits, we got XC, which I'm very happy about. And we got Mona. Oh, here's the back, by the way. And Yarum. Okay, very happy to have gotten XE. Also, I'm trying my new phone's camera. So, that's that. Let's open. Wow, this is like very massive and heavy, by the way. Okay, so very pretty. Here's the desk calendar. And the Universe app. The Universe QR. And then here we have the pop-up. And this accordion, I think accordion bucket list. So they wrote their goals for 2021. And we have the Polaroids. By the way, for Filipino Wjsn'S fans, I'll be selling some of the inclusions. So if you wanna check the available items. Here's the keyring. Very cute. Very cute. And then we have I think it is the ID pictures. Right. I wasn't reading as I was speaking, so it looked weird. And here we have the photo card set. Kinda wish I got the other version, which is they're in this casual clothes, because so cute, but it's fun. And here we have the making DVD and stickers. I'll probably stick them in my binder. Then the diary planner. So that's all, and I won't be unboxing a lot. I just tried and did a quick preview or something. So that's all, and thank you for watching. Bye.